Hi. For every unit we do this year, you're going to make a notebook. That notebook is going to include your notes for the entire unit, all the worksheets that we do and all the reviews that we do and some of the labs that we do. And you're going to build that notebook using Google Slides. Every piece of the notebook will have an assignment that goes with it. This is the only one that's going to require you to do something extra because you're always going to have to go back to the original file for your notebook. So we're going to talk about where to put this in your Google Drive so that you can always find it. So this is going to be your notebook template. This is going to be your Unit 1 notebook. I'll have the title made up for you, but when you do your Unit 1 notebook, you're going to have to do a couple of things. So let's go to My Drive, because the first thing that you need to do, and you're only going to have to do this once, the first thing that you're going to need to do is add a folder to your drive. Now, I'm not sure what your drive looks like, so if you already have a physics folder that's created for you for my class, great. But if you don't, I need you to click on New Folder, and I need you to title that folder Physics or AP Physics, whatever it happens to be that you're in. But I want you to name it the title of our class, and you can put the period number on it as well. But you need to remember what you named it. And you're going to create that folder. That folder is now created. I have a whole lot of stuff in my drive. So you may have less, you may have more, but that folder is created for physics. Go into that folder. You double click on it. Here we go. Now, the only thing that's going to go in this folder is going to be your notebooks. So now that this folder is open and ready to go, you're going to go to your notebook template and you're going to go over here to File and you're going to go to Move. When you go to Move, it's going to relocate this file from wherever Canvas put it into the right place. Okay? So we're going to click on Move. You're going to have to go out to My Drive. When you're in My Drive, you're going to scroll through and you're going to find that physics folder you just created. There it is. You're going to go here and you're going to move it here. You're not going to get that message. So it's moved there. It's going to tell you it's moved there. We're going to dismiss it. And then you're going to come up here and you're going to name it whatever the title happens to be. So unit, this one is unit number and title. That's the title you're going to give it. And then when you look in that folder for Physics Drive, it should update soon. It's going to have Unit 1 Kinematics Notebook, or whatever we decide to name that. And all of your notebooks are going to be in this folder in your drive. Every time we add something, every assignment that I give you that has this note on the bottom before you submit, add a copy to your notebook for this unit, you're going to have to go to this physics folder, find this notebook, open it, so that you can copy and paste your notes from here to your unit title. We're going to need to do that for every assignment, so it's important that you know where you put your notebook. And with your notebook, as we add things, you're going to add to the table of contents. So each slide that you add is going to say, like, 1, notes for one-dimensional motion. So in your table of contents, you're just going to copy the title of that slide and put it on here, and it's going to go all the way through, and all your slides are going to be numbered.